In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set priorities and due dates for tasks in Todoist projects. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can mark what's urgent, what can wait, and when each task should be completed. First, open Todoist in your web browser or launch the app. If you're prompted, sign in and give it a moment to load your workspace. You'll see your navigation on the side and your tasks in the main area. This is your home base for organizing work and keeping track of what's coming up. Next, head to your projects. In the sidebar, select Projects, then choose the project you want to work on. Inside the project, find a task you want to edit and click it to open its details. This is where you'll make the changes that keep your list reliable and up to date. Let's start with Priority. Look for the Priority option in the Task Detail pane, often shown with a flag icon or a color indicator. Choose the level that matches the urgency of the task. A higher priority signals that it needs attention sooner, while lower levels are best for tasks that can wait. A helpful tip is to keep your priority system consistent. For example, reserve the highest priority only for truly urgent work you intend to do next, and use lower levels for items you don't want to lose sight of but that aren't immediately pressing. This way, your list doesn't become a wall of red flags, and you'll trust what you see at a glance. Now, set the due date. Click the date field or calendar icon in the task details. Pick the day you realistically plan to complete it. If your deadline is firm, choose that exact date. If it's more of a target, pick a day you can commit to and don't hesitate to adjust later if plans change. Be honest about your time and energy. A realistic due date prevents overwhelm and helps you finish more consistently. If your workday varies, consider dates that align with when you typically have focus time. Once you've adjusted the priority and due date, you're set. Todoist saves changes automatically, so there's nothing extra you need to confirm. Make a habit of reviewing your tasks every day from within your projects. Reprioritize what's become urgent, move due dates that need more time, and keep your list aligned with reality. Repeat these quick edits for other tasks in the project to keep everything current and actionable. That's it. You've updated your task's priority and due date inside your Todoist project, and you're done.